Welcome to a live trade with Simon Klein from TradeSmart. What I'm going to do in this short video series is show you trades that I'm currently in, the reasoning behind them, and my exact entries and exits. So this is a trade I took yesterday on the Euro Yen. And the reasoning behind the trade was this. If we take a look at the daily chart, the market put in a new low, so I'm expecting a lower high. Once the market changes direction to the downside, I know I'm pointing down and likely to continue moving to the downside. That's what the odds are. So what I'm doing is going down to a hourly chart and waiting for the direction to change from up to down, which it does over here. So I enter the trade here. My stop goes above the high of this bar, which is the area which, if the market was to go up to there, it means the market is going higher and I need to get out the trade. So long as the market doesn't go up here, the trade's still valid and I need to stay in it until it reaches its targets. My first target area, which is T1, is down here. Now the reason it's down here is because it's coming from weekly demand. So it may very well come down to this area and turn again to the upside. So I want to be in a position where I've locked in profit on the trade and I can't lose. And this is exactly the position I'm in currently on the trade. So I'm still open with the trade. I'm going to stay open with the trade until either one of two things. Until it stops me out or trails me out, or until it reaches the big target, or I'm going to close it before the weekend because I don't want to be exposed to any weekend gap risk. So let's take a look at the current live market now, and you can see exactly how the trade played out. I entered the trade over here. First target area is here, and I'm looking for this to continue moving to the downside because we've now put in a lower high and I'm expecting it to put in a lower low, so at least come down to this area to complete this pattern. Now, as we said earlier, it may not. That's why I'm trailing it. I want to give it the opportunity to work. Remember, the more tightly you trail or you try to lock in profit, the least likely you're going to get to a bigger target. So you have to be a bit looser with your trailing strategy in order to get to bigger targets. Now, how many of you have ever been stopped out of trades or trailed out of trades and then watched them continue to the target because you've trailed too tightly? So at the moment my stop's sitting above here, and what I'm going to do is actually show you the live trade. So this is it at the moment. Over here. So you can see this is where I entered. This is where I'm trailing, so I'm locking in profit over here, so I can't lose on the trade, and I'm just letting it go as far as it goes, as we said earlier. So what I'd like you guys to do now, if you like this video and you learned something new from it, I'd like you to leave a comment below the video, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or my blog. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification so you know when I put out a new video. And also what I'd like you to do is, in the comments below, write down in that area what you'd like me to cover in future videos. Any topics you'd like to cover, and I'll be happy to address them. What I want to do is make this YouTube channel and blog serve you, to give you what you need to help you advance in your trading and get to the next level. So that's all for now, but keep listening because I'm going to share with you some live events that are taking place next week. On Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm moderating the Timing Research Show, where myself, along with two other traders, will be discussing the future moves of the S&P 500. And then on Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm going to be covering a very important topic live. One simple adjustment to 7 times more profit. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do with your trading to take it to the next level. I'll be going over also how to uncover your biggest trading demon and the 3 steps that you need to do in order to become successful as a trader. So I'll leave a link below this video, whether you're watching it on my YouTube channel or my blog, where you can sign up to these 2 free events. Looking forward to seeing you at both of these events.